US investment green card. $800,000 must have legally documented money. Exit period after 3 years. Shuda LP 6302946180.
హలో వెల్కమ్ టు ఆర్టీవీ. హైదరాబాద్లో ఇవాళ నులిపురుగుల నివారణ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా పిల్లలందరికీ టాబ్లెట్స్ అనేవి పంపిణీ చేశారు. ఈ టాబ్లెట్స్ అనేవి ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్స్ ఇంకా అంగన్వాడీల్లో పిల్లలకి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. వీటి వల్ల ఉపయోగం ఏంటి, పిల్లలకి ఎలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి, ఇవి ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, ఏ వయసు వారు తీసుకోవాలి అనేటివి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్కూల్లో ఉన్న హెడ్ మాస్టర్ని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. సో మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి, ఇవాళ ఇక్కడ పిల్లలకి నులిపురుగుల నివారణ కోసమే టాబ్లెట్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, అసలు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఇనిషియేట్ చేసింది ఎవరు?
So this is actually the program which is started by this NHM. So a sound mind in a sound body. The children should be healthy, so to have a good education. So start as a part of the program. They have given us a training class how to administer the tablets and what are the precautions to be taken. So we have instructed all the students and we have informed the parents also that they should have their breakfast and come. And they should carry their own water bottle and they have to chew the tablet, and after chewing the tablet they have to drink the water. So any serious problems if the children have, though like fever or fits or any other such problems, we are not going to administer the tablets to them. We have a mop-up day on 27. So in case if the fever subsides and if they are quite okay on that day, so we are going to give them on the mop-up day.
So which age group is the eligibility to take this tablet?
The children with from the age group of 1 to 19 can take these tablets. For the below 2 years, they have to just crush and make it as a liquid and give it. For the about 3 years and above, we can give it as a whole. And we should see that below 6 years, we have to give it the whole tablet. So they have to chew and take the tablet. Below 5 years, it is half a dose, and above 5 years, it is full tablet. We have to give it.
So, is there any side effects by taking these tablets?
In case if the tablets are working, as if now we never experienced any side effects. But once if these worms are there in the stomach, so the children will definitely get the sensation of vomitings and nausea because the medicine works on them. We are instructing the students to chew the tablet and take it, so there's no problem of anything getting stuck up in the throat, so everything is going on well.
So which type of food should the students take after chewing this tablet?
See, before taking the tablet only they should have their food, so they take their midday meals which is supplied by the trust, and after 1 hour we are administering the tablets.
So who sponsored these tablets?
And the government medical department sponsors the tablet.
So how you gave the tablets to the children? Like they have had it by their hands, or you?
No. The teachers they put into the mouth of the students and see that they chew it, and after chewing it they should drink the water. So every child is monitored in such a way.
So after taking this tablet, is there any precautions to take by the students?
No, if they have any side effects like vomiting or stomachache, they have given us immediate number, the health center number, so we can contact the doctors. As if now, no problems.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో చేయండి, అండ్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.